What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. As you can tell, we are in one of the bathrooms in our home where we have our shower enclosed with glass right behind me. We are going to test this shower door water repellent from Rain-X. Of course, everybody knows the brand Rain-X, mostly from its use on your car windshield. Their product for your car windshield does a really good job of repelling water, so I'm curious to see if their shower door product works the same way. We've actually tested another Rain-X shower door cleaner already, the Rain-X Shower Door X-Treme Clean. Now this product's goal is to remove soap scum and hard water stains, whereas the Water Repellent shower door cleaner, its goal is to prevent hard water stains and soap scum, and of course, repel that water. Now, even though it doesn't say it on the directions, the water repellent is supposed to, I've heard, work better when you pre-treat the glass with the X-Treme Clean. So we are going to try that and see if it makes a difference in our test. And speaking of our test, let me talk to you about how we're going to do that. On our shower door right here, we are going to pre-treat this with the X-Treme Clean, apply the water repellent to it. On this piece of glass right here, we are just going to apply the water repellent. And then on this piece of glass right here, we're not going to do anything. Using this product is going to be really easy. You just spray it on a clean, dry cloth and then use that cloth to apply the water repellent to the glass, wipe in a circular motion until it's dry and a little bit of a haze appears. And then you do that same application all over again until again, it's dry and a little bit of a haze appears, and then you get a separate dry cloth to wipe off the water repellent until it is crystal clear. Okay, so we got our first application of the water repellent on our shower enclosure, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on the intensity of the product because everybody likes to know that about cleaning products. My eyes have not hurt when I've applied this product, but the smell is on the intense side, so just be aware of that if you are going to try this product. Of course, you should always keep your bathroom fan on when you're using any product like this. If you're curious what the haze might look like on your shower door, here's a pretty good view of it. It's highlighted a bit by that light behind the shower door, but this is what you should see when you're looking for the slight haze on your door. And if you're wondering how long this stuff takes to dry on your shower doors or shower enclosure, it's not long. It's just a few minutes. Just hopped out of the shower, and on first glance, you're probably thinking, oh, okay, nothing special here. But you can see some of those drops just whistling. There's another one going down the door here that we applied with Rain-X in the X-Treme Clean. And then on the pane next to it, you can see a few more drops going down at basically the same rate. There we go, there's another one, another couple more. And then if we move to the pane of glass where we didn't do anything to, you can see a lot of those beads of water are just kind of sitting there on the glass. So the Rain-X does make a difference. Okay, so is this product worth it? And I think the answer to that is it depends, and it depends a lot on you. And I'll get to what I mean by that in a second. But I do want to address this label. Your shower is not going to look like the top half of this label. The glass is not going to look that crystal clear as we saw in the demo. That being said, that doesn't mean that this product doesn't deliver on its promise. It promised to reduce water stains and reduce soap scum. And from that perspective, I think it's accurate. As we saw in the demo, the water does fall off of the glass at a better rate than if you were to not use this product. And because of that, you are going to see fewer water stains and less soap scum. Now, do I think you need this product? And this is what I mean by it depends. If you are somebody who doesn't do a good job of cleaning their shower glass with a glass cleaning product like Windex all the time and doesn't use a squeegee to get the water off of the glass every time they take a shower, then I think this product is useful and it can help you because it's going to reduce the water stains and it's going to reduce the soap scum that appear on your glass. Now, if you're somebody who does a really good job of always cleaning their shower glass and always uses a squeegee, this isn't gonna hurt you, but you don't need it. You are already doing a great job of maintaining your shower glass. Thanks for watching, everybody.